Welcome, learners, to today's lecture on catharsis. Catharsis is the term that has been mentioned by Greek philosopher Aristotle in his work Poetics. This term is controversial as Aristotle has mentioned it in his work Poetics, that is related to tragedy, but he has left this term unexplained. Aristotle has mentioned the term catharsis to denote the function of tragedy, as he says that tragedy is the imitation of an action that is serious, complete, and having certain magnitude, with incidents and episodes so arranged so as to produce the feeling of pity and fear, so as to achieve the catharsis of such emotions. So he has mentioned the term catharsis, and though he has explained every term in detail, like plot, like completion, like magnitude, but he did not explain the term catharsis, as a result of which it has become controversial and one of the most debated terms. The meaning of catharsis, according to the Greek language, can be purgation, purification, and perhaps this term is related to medicine. Aristotle's father was a physician, so since childhood, Aristotle saw his father prescribing purgatives or drugs to cure his patients. In the Greek system of medicine, a body gets sick when some impurity enters it, and a person becomes healthy when that impurity is thrown out of the body with the help of purgatives or drugs that purifies the body. As Aristotle saw his father prescribing purgatives to cure his patients, so many thinkers believe that Aristotle, by the term catharsis, must be meaning something related to medicine. So there are a number of interpretations to the term catharsis which are related to medicine. The first theory regarding the interpretation of catharsis is like cure like, or homeopathic interpretation of catharsis, which is based on this belief that poison kills poison and iron cuts iron. Tragedy allows a person to get rid of excess of pity and fear that may be harmful to the mental makeup of the audience by venting it on the characters of tragedy. The next theory of the interpretation of catharsis is like cure unlike, or allopathic theory, which believes that human mental makeup is made up of soft emotions like pity, sympathy, fear, and strong emotions like anger, hate, jealousy. And whenever the proportion of strong emotions increases in society, it leads to arson, violence, and chaos. So, a tragedy can be beneficial to such a person who suffers from the excess of strong emotions, as tragedy enhances the proportion of tender emotions in the audience by producing pity and fear. And enhancement of soft emotions like pity and fear helps in restoring order and harmony to the society. Next, interpretation of the term catharsis is completion theory. A person cannot be called as psychologically normal if he has not experienced all the emotions in his life. There may be some person who might not have experienced some emotions in their life till then. They might not have experienced the feeling of pity and fear. So, a tragedy can be beneficial to such a person who is unknown to pity and fear, as by seeing a tragedy, he experiences these feelings, which completes his mental and psychological makeup and makes him a new normal human being. Modern theory on catharsis, which believes that tragedy is not a theater, is not a hospital where a person goes to cure some disease or malady. He visits theater to entertain himself by listening to certain speeches and seeing some action. And when he sees the greater sufferings of characters in a tragedy, he forgets his petty sufferings, which increases his horizon of thinking as he begins to think that his sorrow is nothing before the sorrow and sufferings of the characters on the stage, which increases the horizon of experience. Modern theory of the interpretation of the term of catharsis can best be explained through the closing lines of Milton's great work Samson Agonistes, all passions spent, calm of mind. Thank you very much for listening to this lecture. I hope you must have liked it. Good day to all of you, and I hope you will listen to similar lectures which will be coming soon. Thank you very much.